In this session, we're going to look at how we calculate a car fuel benefit. Now, where an employer provides a company car to an employee and also pays for the car's private use petrol or diesel, so that's the petrol or diesel that the employee uses in their own private motoring, then the employee will not only receive a car benefit but will also receive a car fuel benefit. This is not incurred, however, if the employee has to pay the employer the cost of all fuel provided for private use. But it's important that you realise that if the employee doesn't pay for all fuel provided for private use and only makes a partial repayment, then they will incur the full car fuel benefit. Or alternatively, no car fuel benefit will be incurred if the employer only provides fuel for business use. So how do we calculate the benefit? Well, what we do is we take the same percentage, that relevant percentage that was used when calculating the car benefit, and we multiply it by 22,200. Now, you don't need to remember that figure, as that is given to you in the tax tables in the assessment. So let's have a look at an illustration. In 2016-17, Luke had a company car, and the employer also paid for his private fuel. Now, the relevant percentage used when calculating Luke's car benefit was 34%. So the car fuel benefit for the year was 22,200 multiplied by that 34%, or £7,548. Now, if it was the case that the car was unavailable for 30 or more days, and these have to be consecutive days, then the fuel benefit is going to be reduced proportionately. Unfortunately, we would have to ignore periods of less than 30 days. You would normally do that calculation on a daily basis, but you can do it on a monthly basis unless told otherwise in the assessment. So let's have a look at an illustration. So Linda is given a company car as part of her employment. Now, the car fuel benefit for the whole of 2016-17 would be £4,440, but the car was unavailable for 3 months of the year. So the car benefit for 2016-17 would therefore be 4,440 multiplied by 9/12, or £3,330. We have a similar situation where a car was received or withdrawn during the year, or was changed partway through the year for a different company car. In these situations, what we do is we time apportion the benefit, so we'll calculate the fuel benefit for the first car and apportion it for the period where it was available, and then we'll time apportion the benefit for the second vehicle, and again time apportion that as well.